Hey Chef, how are you today? It's Clara, Chef Marty's AI assistant. I support Chef with these tutorials so he can spend more time serving customers and working on his precious software. He's obsessed, you know. Anyway, did you know original crew members get free updates right up to version 1.9? If you haven't caught up on the software videos lately, you can always find the current version by visiting foodcostchef.com/changelog. Compare this to the version on your dashboard in the lower left. Whenever you want the latest version of your software, just visit foodcostchef.com/contact. Add your name, PayPal email address when you purchased. Then select Request for a software update. When Chef gets that email, he will make you a copy from the master file. This might seem like more work than just clicking a button, but Microsoft Excel just doesn't work that way. Don't even get me started. This is as automated as it gets. Yep. In any case, Chef Marty will prepare the copy and send it back to you. Don't do anything before dealing with your data on your current version. So let's get that in place first. From your dashboard, just click the Import-Export function down here. You'll get a pop-up, and that's where you select Export. Choose a place to save this data. Somewhere you'll remember. It's a folder full of tables. You don't have to look inside because the FoodCostChef Calculator will extract the files just as they are. Now, you can go back and double-click the zip file. It pops open. Double-click your Excel file. Remember, you may get some VBA warnings here, same as before. Check your trust settings in Microsoft. If you need a refresher, see the tutorials page here. It's the first video. Your dashboard is locked until you enter your original license key. Chef provided that in your email. Go ahead, copy and paste it in, and fill out your info here. Takes 10 seconds. Save your new file. There you go. Now, Chef, all you have to do is click Import. You're going to be tempted to look around, but honestly, don't bother. You don't want to make changes or add anything else in the new version before you do your import. Your new version must be empty before it can accept all your saved data and settings. You're ready to go. Depending on how much content you're importing, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, particularly if you're on a Mac. Don't blame me. Microsoft and Apple still have their issues. I heard some rumors that something happened between them way back in the 70s, and they're still not over it. You should get a success message like this. In case you don't, take a screenshot of that message and send it to Chef Marty. But this process should go smoothly if you follow the steps. Now is a good time to check out the new Matrix video. It's pretty cool, so you'll want to take advantage of it. That's it, Chef. Enjoy your new update. We'll talk soon. And remember what Chef Marty always says, it's only good food if the math works.